Oh. Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're gonna react to Lisa, Rockstar. No, I'm not sure if Lisa's music is being played in Jamaica. I'm not sure if any one of my Jamaican folks are familiar with Lisa's music, but if not, I'll be the first Jamaican to even check out Lisa's Rockstar, or furthermore, check out some more of her music. And I know I'm a trespasser, and I'm literally here just for her music, the food, the culture, the heritage, the people. And I have a friend who told me about Lisa's music, and she said, hey, I could check her out. So I'll be happy to give my 2 cents on Lisa's music. So shout out to you, favorite Alan girl. Thank you so much for the suggestion. One question before I go any further into this reaction. Do anyone who's watching this video is familiar about Bob Marley? Let me know in the comments to see how well you guys are familiar with Bob Marley's music and the culture, which is a Jamaican culture. So please let me know. I'll be happy to see how well you guys know Bob Marley and his music down below. So without further ado, let's react to Lisa, Rockstar. Right? Her looks is fantastic. Her voice is gorgeous. Yeah, yeah. This is what I like to see, right? South Korean artists are literally not the type of artist who is in Jamaica who people literally mess with, right? So to sit here as a Jamaican to witness some of these music, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Trust me. Gorgeous. Wow. 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 I like the line of this video, right? Everyone who's dressed in white now, I think they're representing something that is really cool. And in fact, I really like white. I like to see people dressed in white, give the movement a little bit more brighter movement whenever time people dress in white, right? And to see this is freaking dope, bro. Just I mean, like, for my first time listening to Lisa, right? It's speaking volumes. It's speaking volumes, right? And to separate her music from the different caliber of music that I've reacted to, this one stands out differently because her voice is really awesome. She can sing, she knows what she's doing right now, and I appreciate it. Here, gorgeous. Okay, okay, look. I think I like what I see here, right? With the females who are dancing, bro, with the movements. This is literally representing the term rock star, bro. This should have more like a lot of guitar, just like Elvis Presley's movement. But regardless of that, this is a very great video. Very when people sing some lines in their music, right? Everywhere she's gone, that's her city. And to be honest, she's killing it right now. If it wasn't for her music, I wouldn't be here reacting to her music if someone else didn't know about her music. That simply means that she's doing greatly. Her music is reaching people, and people literally love her music. Because what I'm hearing thus far, the music is really good. It's sounding good. Awesome, bro. With all this movement, with all these edition in this video, she deserves more than this, bro. Right? And to see this, right? The song is literally bigger than her music. Totally. With all these 4.3 million likes, right? Even bigger than her subs, bro. That simply means that this song is very good. It's very well written, it's very well mastered, and I gotta say, compliments on this song, Lisa. You've done greatly. Oh my god. Guys, look. She is very hey, she's making the music more sweeter than how the music sounds, bro. Just by her looks and even her dance team, bro. Each individual there looks very well. Her dancing, her movement in her video, it's worth it. It does worth it. Trust me. Because I've never seen nothing like it before, bro. Each individual is playing a vital role, but this role that she's playing now, it deserves more. Just whoa, whoa. These movements are sexy. Damn, I think I having a crush right now. Oh, very proud to listen to her music. I would be very proud to be a fan, bro, because she has just earned a fan. Well done. Well done, Lisa. And I have to say, for my first try, I've enjoyed that. So look, if you guys want more reaction, leave a like on this video, smash a subscribe button to become a member of Jamaican Reactor, and please make your suggestions that I should react to next by Lisa. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.